So guys, due to the fact that our dollar index is literally selling, it has been dropping. So have it in mind that any pair we are trading against your dollar index, right, your USD, will be actually be gaining value. Due to the fact that USD is dropping. So basically, we should be expecting more movement to the upside on our GBP USD. Same movement is what we will be expecting on our Euro USD and also our odd USD. So basically, as the odd USD is dropping, we should be expecting our correlation to actually gain value. Now let's start with the trend. Remember, guys, before you take a trade, you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. What can you see the trend right here? We have the current trend now, we have the main trend. If you have to take a look at your main trend on GBP JPY, GBP USD by the way, you see that GBP USD is literally ranging, right? If you have to look at it on your main trend, the main trend is on a ranging market move. But we are going to be making use of our current trend. What is market doing currently? As you can see right here, we are in an uptrend. Market is trending to the upside. You can see that you're having a series of higher and higher low. That is what market is giving us. It is giving us multiple movements to the upside, series of higher and higher low. Take a look at this movement. At once, there was a time the market was dropping, right? Then it eventually tapped this level and gave us a double bottom. You know what a double bottom is? It means a reversal pattern, right? It means market has now reversed from a downtrend to now an uptrend. This is one of the reasons why we had this high, right? And here comes the higher low, which is the pullback. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and this is the pullback, which is the higher low. So with this pullback, which is an higher low, right, we will be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what you should be expecting on our GBP USD. If you are not yet in the buy, now is the best time, best opportunity to actually gain for the buy, because markets will have actually push up, we eventually, from this level push up to take out this high, thereby forming a new high. So with such a movement, we should be able to make between 60 to 70 pips bullish move for the day. Above all, a bullish move is what you should be expecting. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and don't forget to miss out on the updates.